Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can enhance your voice on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to hit this record button and I'm just going to talk into the microphone. And what it basically does is that when you talk a lot, sometimes like there's like a mouth popping sound, so it kind of can delete that. And I'm just going to close it. You can select the enhanced voice there. Or you can basically select the voice here and then select enhance voice. And you can adjust the noise cleanup as well. You can adjust the noise cleanup as well here. So there's from 0 to 100. If you don't need a lot, just put it at like around 50. And that is it. This is what it should sound like. It's not the best because I don't know why my mic isn't like good in this app. You talk a lot, sometimes like there's like a mouth popping sound, but it does like reduce the sound of like popping noises when you talk. I can't really force it, so it's hard to like edit that out. But that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!